dark, but the opposition also oppose that bill. It shows that the opposition is on double face. Sir, after applying this act, it has reduced to 80%.
I want to know that how could we get 300 kg RDX in India? Because they provide them entry just because of their vote bank.
I'll talk about minority welfare budget. Minority welfare budget has been reduced 40%, and even pre-matric scholarship also has been reduced. And Maulana Azad Education Foundation has been in debt. So they are just discriminating between the majority and minority.
Item number 2093, Opposition Party, Mr. Lovely Khanna.
Thank you so much, Honorable Speaker, sir, for giving me this chance to speak. I want to ask some question from Defense Minister, sir. Indian military is suffering from the crisis of security. It happened first time that their commander of Indian Army resigned that contest election against PM of India. At the time of election, it others entered from Bangladesh. They get fake Aadhaar card easily. So I want to ask Honorable Speaker, sir, who provide them fake Aadhaar card? As resulted, we were attacked on Pulwama. Honorable Speaker, sir, how can we forget Pulwama attack? Because it was heart-rending, sir. I want to know that how could we get 300 kg RDX in India? Because they provide them entry just because of their vote bank. That's why I am telling you, Honorable Speaker, sir, they are responsible only they are responsible only. Thank you so much, sir.
I request Honorable Defense Minister, sir, please speak something about it.
Good evening, Honorable Speaker, sir. I am glad that you give me a chance to answer the question arises by the respective member. Sir, they firstly talk about the a person who resigned from his post and stand against Modi ji. If you know, then you should check first why he got resigned, because he filmed a video on social media and expressed and give them information about our country to to enemies. That's why, sir, you should update yourself first. Second of all, he say that Pulwama attack. Sir, we did a strike on 26 February 2019. After 4 days of Pulwama attack, but unfortunately, the opposition arise question on it because they don't believe on our armed forces. Sir, for Bangladesh and the Rohingya Muslim who fought for them, they always said to that they are also they are immigrants. Please give him support. First of all, should you please clarify your point of view on the NRC? Every time we introduce NRC system, you always oppose. You said that we are discriminating against Muslims because they are Muslim. Sir, they always show minority play. And I want to ask, in which state the Bangladeshi and Rohingya lives more? Sir, you should check the Bangladeshi morely lived in West Bengal, which is your state. And when we do any action on it, you always oppose central government. Sir, respected member, say about China, the occupied area. Sir, first of all, you should check how we lost Aksai Chin and some parts of Sikkim and Arunachal. Sir, it's your former Prime Minister mistake. We lost POK, COK and Aksai Chin and Sikkim as well. Sir, at that time, Home Minister written a letter to former Prime Minister about COK, Aksai Chin. Then, sir, what our former Prime Minister said, I want to quote. It is a dry land. It is a बंजर, यह एक बंजर भूमि है. भूल जाओ इसका, हम क्या करेंगे? Then at that time, our Home Minister said, आपके अगर सर पे बाल नहीं रहेंगे तो आप क्या सर अपना मुड़वा दोगे? Sir, I want to also clarify what you have done in the recent year. Sir, if you check yourself, then you should find. Sir, you talk about chicken neck. Sir, chicken neck who is responsible for chicken neck? Who is responsible for partition? Their former prime minister signed for partition of India. If partition never held, then we don't have any chicken neck. And for chicken neck, a person who said we cut all the northeast state from India, he made him as a top leader in Bihar. Have you always, sir, last not the least, sir, Kurba Valley, which is very famous, which is the most important, which is an important part for terrorist attack in northeast, sir, which are our part, but their former prime minister gave it to Myanmar for their as their gift for Myanmar to bring a good policy. They also, if China is possible now, it is his mistake, because he don't sacrifice or he don't build infrastructure on northern frontier, which we face today. So we rapidly construct and build many bridges and roads as well as northern frontier. So which we built a road 5 times more than the government built during 55 years in only 9 years. Thank you, sir.
Item number 209 in opposition party, Ms. Sana Khan.
Thank you so much, Honorable Speaker sir, for giving me this chance to say something about ruling party. I'll put my points in limitation. I'll talk about minority welfare budget. Minority welfare budget has been reduced 40%, and even pre-matric scholarship also has been reduced. And Maulana Azad Education Foundation has been ended. So they are just discriminating between the majority and minority. And just because of this, 1,80,000 Muslims, they were studying on behalf of scholarship. They quit their study. According to Article 31, if the government of state and central government distribute funds between the Indian people, they cannot discriminate on the basis of race, religion, sex, base, etc. So I would like to say something, the government of Manipur and Haryana about the case of Manipur and Nuh. कुर्सी है तुम्हारा, ये जनाजा तो नहीं है. कुर्सी है तुम्हारा, ये जनाजा तो नहीं है. कुछ कर नहीं सकते तो उतर क्यों नहीं जाते? Thank you so much.
I request Honorable Child, Women and Minority Development, please speak something about it.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me a chance to speak. Since 2015, more than 5 crore children coming from minorities have been given a scholarship. For this reason, the number of school dropouts, especially among Muslim girls, has reduced. Where before 2014, only 70% Muslim girls used to leave school, but now it has reduced to less than 30%. And our effort is to bring it down to 0%. So, we also launched Ustad scheme on 15th May 2015, which aims to preserve the rich heritage of traditional arts and crafts of minorities. So, till 2014, only 4.5% Muslims were in government departments, but the figure has grown up to 10.5% in the last 9 years. So, we also opened corridor for Nankana Sahib, which is located in Pakistan, and it was their government fault that we lost Nankana Sahib in 1947. They say that they went from Kashmir to Kanyakumari for 130 days. I will not give a speech on joint pain, but we have seen the valleys full of blood, the valleys where only the sound of bullets we have heard. But when they went there, they were playing with the snowballs. That was only possible after our Prime Minister abrogated Article 317. We also banned triple talaq, but the opposition also opposed that bill. It shows that the opposition is on double face. So after applying this act, it has reduced to 80%. We banned triple talaq, and the opposition party also opposed women representation bill, which was passed by Rajya Sabha. And they talk about minority, and they talk about Manipur's women only for their political benefits only. Shame. Our government don't indulge in differentiation of people on the basis of caste, creed and religion. And our Prime Minister is the only Prime Minister who has won the maximum awards from Muslim countries. Sir, our motto is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Thank you.
Item number 235 in opposition party, Shakshi.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir, for giving me this chance to speak. And my first point is no sports culture. Government mainly focused on education. No sports matter for everyone. And the main problem is sports infrastructure. According to Sports Authority, UP has only 20 centers, and whatever the population is 23 crores, and centers are 20. Haryana has 22 centers. That is why most of the players produced from Haryana. And why did we turn into a one sports nation? Only cricket monopoly. No, other game doesn't matter. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I want to ask to Sports Minister. My last point is where we stand in Olympics. India has secured 35 medals, and Kenya has poorer than India, and he has secured 113 medals. Where we stand, sir? Where we stand? That's all.
I request Honorable Sport Minister, sir, please speak something about it.
Thank you so much, Honorable Speaker, sir, for giving me chance to speak. Respective sir, there is a saying in India, खेलोगे कूदोगे होगे खराब, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब. But nowadays we have to see this. We have to see our youngsters doing well and make us proud on international level. Like Virat Kohli in cricket, Sunil Chhetri in football, we are doing in every sector of sports. Honorable Speaker, sir, we have released a budget of 3,400 crore for sports, and we have hired hundreds of coaches. Speaker, sir, we have started NSTC, SSG, TOPS, Fit India Movement, Hello India, and Mission Olympic 2024. We have started all of these programs only for cricket, only for sports, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, in NSTC, any Indian student living in India who is between age 8 to 12 can choose benefit from this program. Speaker, sir, we have designed SSG to identify and train players from tribal, rural, hilly and coastal areas of country. That's all. Thank you so much.
Item number 105 in opposition party, Mr. Monu again.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir, for giving me a chance to speak. India is the 5th largest economy in the world, but in the field of technology, India is not visible far and wide. Why are we so behind in the technology field, sir? Honorable sir, most of the talent of India is providing facilities to the other countries because of lack of opportunities.
I request Honorable IT Minister, please speak something about it.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir, for giving me this chance to speak in Parliament. Sir, in the case of cybercrime, I want to tell you about our Brahmastra I4C, Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, who tackle all type of cyber crimes in India. Sir, India is not a town. It's the 7th largest country in the world with more than 6.5 lakh villages. For making India digital, we are hiring new people and trying our best. And in 2023, more than 80% of villages are digital. So please, sir, keep patient. Sir, I want to ask something from him. That do you ever heard about fundamental rights? Because Article 19 to 22 state that every citizen have freedom to do any type of job and anywhere. Thank you, sir.
Item number 209 in opposition party, Mr. Nitin Tomar.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak in this parliamentary house. So my question to the education minister is that we often see in the villages that primary level and middle level, the number of the students in the schools are very low. rather than if we see in the college or at the graduation level, the number of the student in the government level is very high. Private sector put a bar competition bar in the primary level. What in the if we see in college level, government sector put a bar for the private sector. That's my question is why this is so in our education system.
Yes.
Yes.
I request Honorable Education Minister, please speak something about it.
Thank you, Speaker sir, for giving me chance to speak in our house. Firstly, I want to make sure my opposition leader that we are working on new education policy, and we have also launched new education policy in 2018 and 19. We are expecting this education policy that in future it will give better result to us. And in 2023, we have allocated new education budget 1.13 trillion, which will bring a significant reform in the education system. And our Prime Minister have also introduced the Vidyanjali 2.0 scheme, which will aimed is that to provide donation to the students. Honorable Speaker sir, we have established many IITs, IIMs, AIMS, which will tie the relationship between the facility of the medical and technical sector. I want to make sure that only in 10 years tenure BJP, we have established 7 more IITs. Thank you, Speaker sir.
Thank you so much, respected members, to maintain the decorum of house. And now the session is over.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
This is not party politics. We are practicing just for learning English only. And this was our session. We were beginners. We may have committed a number of mistakes, so please forgive us. If you have liked our video, please like it, subscribe it, comment it, and share with the people. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.